everyone, I'm Magnetism. Welcome to Magnetism's world. In this video, we will do an interesting activity using magnets. So let's start. Hello Mr. Nail. Meet my friend Mr. Magnet. Whoa, you guys already know each other. Are you surprised how it happened? So I will introduce you to the world of magnets. Magnets are magnificent objects that create a magnetic force around them which is invisible to human eye. This magnetic force is also called magnetic field. If a magnetic object is inside that area, then it gets attracted to the magnet and moves toward the magnet without any physical contact. Now, what are magnetic objects? Objects that get attracted to a magnet are called magnetic objects. But the objects that do not get attracted to a magnet are called non-magnetic objects. There are many types of magnet like circular magnet, horseshoe magnet, ball magnet and magnetic bar. Now we will make a magic fan using magnets. Materials required are 3 magnets, 2 paper stripes, 1 iron nail and 1 battery. So let's start. First we will put a magnet and then we will put the 2 stripes like this and then we will put another magnet on this. And now we will put iron nail and then the battery. Now it will work like a magic fan. See? Now our magic fan is ready.